Isn't this something? We have 2 mamas and 7 babies. And 2 litters in the same box. Oh my goodness. Let's just see what happens. Tiny bear just jumped in here. I don't know. This could be interesting. Nanny's outside. Nanny growls when she's nervous. She's nervous whenever the babies cry. She's nervous whenever the babies cry. Maybe I'll have to move the big nest over here for the whole crowd. Wouldn't that be something, huh? To make sure the little ones get enough milk. Oh my goodness, now we got Nanny, 2 moms, and 7 babies, all in the same nest. And it's the small one. Maybe they like the small one. Well, we'll just watch this situation and see how it develops. Very interesting. Here's the little tiny ones. The great big ones are with Sahara, who's hidden in the back there. Too funny. Too funny.